Alright, here's the worst part of the storm. Massive wind gusts. Oh, we got hail, baby. We got hail. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm getting fucking destroyed. Oh, sorry for the curse words, people. I'm gonna try and get up behind this building here. There's the hail. Yeah, storm chasing was a great idea, Brian. This is crazy. Oh my god. This is very dangerous. You usually don't get storms like this. Looking at nickel size. Holy shit. I'm getting destroyed here, guys. The hailstones are getting bigger now. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! The wind's still blowing pretty hard. Holy shit! Oh my god, we're looking at least quarter size hail here. I'm still getting destroyed. The winds are absolutely phenomenal. I mean, my car's getting blown around. Okay, wow, I'll shake it up. That's the first time I've actually been scared in a thunderstorm. Oh, you can still hear the hail still coming down, pretty good chunks. There's the wind. Man, we just got absolutely destroyed. I want to go out there, but I mean, that is just amazing. You see this? This is a long video. As you see, it's still coming down. That car is pulling over. Tons of lightning. This is about the most intense storm I've been in.